Shenzhen Huikeyuan Company Limited was founded in 2013, which is a national high-tech enterprise specializing in the research and development, production, and sales of intelligent power adapters. Our product covers the application of various industries, such as medical equipment, EMS provider, humanoid robot, audiovisual device, communication PoE devices, network detector, AI server, video conferencing equipment, POS device, AI laptop, industrial computer, drone, power tool, battery packs, education equipment, e-bike, vehicle, and small household appliances, etc. Our products comply with global safety certifications, including UL, ETL, FCCCB, CE, GS, UKCA, KC, KCCPSE, SAA, RCMCCC, etc. We also have some system certifications to ensure consistent quality and reliable production, such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ISO 13485, ISO 50001, etc., supported by superior product quality and excellent after-sales service. Our products are sold worldwide and highly trusted by customers. We have a professional R&D team, and we support OEM, ODM, and JDM services for custom power solutions. Huikeyuan, the most innovative power solution for you. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits.